Practice the two different techniques of acupressure. Acupressure points are manipulated in two different ways: by either pressing, reinforcing, or reducing them. Pressing technique. Use your fingers or something blunt such as a pencil eraser at the end of a pencil to press the particular point between 30 seconds to 2 minutes. Shorter pressures can be used and even a few seconds can provide relief. Reducing technique. Place your finger over a point and turn a finger in counter-clockwise direction for 1 to 2 minutes. Use enough pressure to feel the pressure but not too much. For each acupuncture point mentioned below, use one or both of the techniques mentioned above from 30 seconds to 2 minutes per point. Manipulate the kidney meridian points. These are located on the bottom of the foot. Consult the acupuncture charts to find these points in your body and manipulate one or several of the following points. Fuliu Qi, 7 on the front, inner side of the Achilles tendon, and Jiaoxin Qi, 8 the front, inner side of the rounded border of the shin bone, above the ankle points. Apply pressure to these 2 points at the same time. Manipulate the bladder meridian points. These acupuncture points are indicated for diseases in the lower limbs as well as in the head, neck, eyes, back, groin. Manipulate the following 2 points. Huizong BL, 54 at the very top of your hamstring, closer to the inner part of the back of your leg, and Changshan BL, 57 points. Stimulate the local and adjacent points at the site of injury. The Shimian M. La 5, located at the center of the heel, is a local point that acts as the target zone of the plantar fascia and its attachment to the heel bone. Use acupressure points to release endorphins. Activating pressure points relieves pain and relaxes muscular tension, releasing endorphins. These endorphins are similar to morphine in the way of numbing the pain. By applying pressure to the liver meridian LV, 3 and gall bladder meridian GB, 41 points, you can enable your body to produce its own natural painkillers. In Chinese medicine, the liver is an energy organ, and when someone has liver imbalances they are more susceptible to tendon inflammation and continuous stress injury. Manipulate the illuminated C point. This pressure point, also known Qi 6, can be found on the inner side of the ankle, 1 thumb width below the ankle bone. This will help relieve swollen and stiff ankles. Place your thumbs 1 centimeter away from the ankle. Apply pressure with both thumbs on both pressure points simultaneously. Engage the Choshu point. This acupressure point, also known as GB 40, is located in the large hollow directly in front of the outer ankle bone. Manipulating this point relieves ankle problems including sprains, swelling and sciatic pain.